Brady came over with Lincoln to measure our docks for replacement and removal.
No, you're gonna flop. There's Brady taking a measurement. And we don't want it this high either.
Oh, you want it lower?
And then Jasper playing. Yeah.
Hey.
All right, here he goes. I had a ball here.
So they could doodle, correct?
Doodle. No, he's a doodle. He's
he did really well at the boat show yesterday.
Good.
That was his real first public interaction. Pet him in a day.
Yeah.
After the 50th person that pets him, it's not as.
He's not but it's going to start all over again the next day.
Yeah, it's